I'm going to practice some transitions. 2 on steel, 2 on steel over here.
You're ready.
Ready?
Bye.
Missed one.
202.
202. Okay.
Shooter ready.
Ready?
Bye. 303 will miss.
303.
The first one probably didn't register correctly.
Okay.
Shooter ready.
Ready?
Stand by. 273.
2 misses.
Right targets. Unfair.
I'm going to have to do a reload in this one. Oh no, I've got 4. 3 in the mag. Okay.
Shooter ready.
Ready?
Stand by. 269.
Got 1 in. Reload on this one.
Spool from holster. Get 1 on target.
Okay.
Shooter ready. Stand by. 131. Do that again.
Just 1.
Shooter ready.
Ready?
Bye. 1-1 Eagles. Shooter ready.
Ready?
Stand by. 1, 2, 3. Stand by. 5.
Okay.
Stand by. 130. Stand by.
1 left. Low left.
131. Consistency. Stand by. 130. Stand by. 114. There you go. 2 on right, 2 on left.
All right.
Shooter ready.
Ready?
Stand by.
Got him.